I was just 38.
It felt nice. Neat.
Go in, go, first place. Hello.
Hi.
What flight color are we? Alright. Go ahead, step aside, wait for your color.
Second color orange. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Welcome. Right this way, my friends. Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order trade shipment of coax.
I guess just me, I guess.
Seated and supervise younglings.
Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged. Left pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Only one pilot? You won't be able to steer with it. Oh, watch it! Julie makes flying this thing look easy, eh? No gunners. Auto weapons engaged. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Left pilot, make the jump to light speed. Oh, there's the train. Come, Papa. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Good job, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. A gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, A distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Watch out! The Star Destroyer is collapsing! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 Look! Did not die! Let's get out of here! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. Taking to the hull. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs